Aloha, crafty friends. Thanks for stopping by at Makaz Home. I appreciate you stopping by here again. And I just got another video response share to share. And this entry is for a Monster Bash Memory Decks Challenge for Sabrina Ann over here on YouTube. And I will link her information below so you guys can go check her out after this. She is doing a October daily, so she is uploading a video every day, a project or a share, something to do with Halloween. So yeah, go check her out. But let's get into my entry. So here is my memory decks that I am sending off. Yeah, it's a Monster Bash Memory Decks Challenge, and just a Heidi Swap size memory decks, which 4x4. I don't have the memory decks punch, so I'm just leaving it, and hopefully she can punch it out and fit it where it needs to go. But I just cut out a cardstock and backed it with paper that I got out of a Tuesday morning paper pack called, hold on, here's the paper pack. It's called Fright Night. And so that's the orange paper back there. I did ink the edges of the memory decks card with just some Stampin' Up basic black ink. And then I did add this colorful eyelash trim. I did stamp this mermaid zombie chick image on the vellum. And I also stamped these fishes on the paper, on this orange paper, so that it would show through. I did put sequins in there, but that's what that purple and blue stuff is showing through. But the paper is too tight, so it doesn't shake too much at all, actually. I just added this high, and I popped it up on some foam dots, and then I bought these in a pack from Joann's, I think, in their sewing department. And then I added my info in the back. I am enclosing it in this little bag I made. I just added a little topper for the top, and I added some skulls and spiders to the package. Sorry for the glare. But yeah, so that's going off. I added some little goodies for her as well for hosting. I'm not sure what's in it. Yep, she can check it out when she gets it. But it's just a paper clip there. And then I put some stuff in a bag for her too as well. So this I can get off in the mail today. Her challenge does end at the end of the month, so you still do have time to enter if you would like to. It's just create a memory decks Rolodex card in the theme of a monster or villain, and that's her only request. Yeah, so look for her information below. I will have a link to her swap so you can have that information. And I appreciate you again for stopping by. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And yeah, so have a great day, and I will see you back soon. Shakas!